Hello friends, happy Diwali. I'm trying to showcase the most super hit pickle from Telugu people. Yes, it's Gongura. Gongura isn't just a pickle, it's a feeling stitched into Telugu hearts. The classic film Mayabazaar sings its praise. No royal feast sits without its tangy crown. On Atlatade morning, girls rise before dawn, eating rice, dapalam, and gongura, then fast till moonrise. We remember those moments each time we make it. First, cut fresh stems and wash the leaves 3 times. Dry them on a clean cloth, not in the fridge. Leave them overnight. Night air removes moisture. Next day, grind the dry leaves with gingelly oil and just enough salt, no water added. That's the Konasima method, giving a month long shelf life at room temperature. Each jar holds festival smiles, folk songs, bright green color. Serve the tangy relish with hot rice. Every bite brings back golden afternoons. Gongura is pure emotion, not just food. Make it, taste it, remember it. Thank you for watching. This is my first voiceover. Please support, forgive any disturbance. Keep following. Drop doubts, comments, complaints, or compliments below. If you know another method, share it in the comment section too. Thank you and enjoy the festival. Telugu cuisine rocks a massive pickle lineup: Magaya, Nimakaya, Avakaya, the iconic mango mustard, tomato pickle, lemon pickle, chilies, garlic, you name it. Every region adds its flair. Godavari style, Rayalaseema twist, coastal vibe, different textures, spice levels, sweet spots. Families guard secret recipes tighter than treasure maps. Pass them down with love. Pickles aren't just sidekicks, they're main characters at weddings, festivals, daily meals. Boost in flavor, nutrition, preserve in seasonal harvest. They're cultural symbols, status of hospitality. Serve a guest rice dal and a splash of pickle, you're sane, you're home. During Ugadi, Telugu New Year, special pickles grace every plate, symbolizing life's sweet sour journey. Grandmas grind masalas by hand, chanting old songs, blessing each batch. In rural areas, community pickle parties happen. Women gather, chat, share life, laugh, and churn massive pots of tangy goodness. Modern twists: some add jaggery for sweet notes, others toss in roasted peanuts or sesame for crunch. Urban kitchens might jar him in glass, keep him in fridge, but tradition stays. Same love, same zing. Health wise, Gongura packs iron, antioxidants. Mustard based pickles give gut friendly probiotics if fermented right. Telugu diaspora worldwide keep pickle jars on counters, a little homeland in every bite, connecting generations abroad. Story time. My grandma used to say, a day without pickle is like a song without a beat. She'd sprinkle extra chilies when we were mischievous. Still works. Pickles even pop in fusion dishes now. Pickle infused pasta, pizza drizzles,